What's up everyone? Today we're going to be doing a quick update on the HEMI, as well as a couple of things that are going to be happening over the next few days. And I'm really excited about all of it. So far, the heads have really they have surprised me. And I think part of it is because there was just so much carbon buildup on the combustion chamber that they came out beautiful. Just wire brushed the inside of it, cleaned it up. Nothing too hardcore after, of course, soaking the heads in a very hardcore detergent. I think it came out pretty good. The other thing is, I was thinking we were going to have to port these things, but geez, these things just have tons of room for the air to flow. We might have to do a little bit of work on the intake, but the exhaust side is spectacular. I mean, even just look at the intake. There's not much in the way of obstructions or anything for the air to have. Like, this is fantastic. I am very surprised and blown away by just how well these heads are designed. As far as what I can tell, they're fantastic. So I think all we're going to really end up having to do with these things is just polish the ports. I don't think we're going to have to take much in the way of material out. We will have to go ahead and replace the seats. Are just chewed completely up. Real bad, guys. So, I mean, there's just no way. These things are just done. So, we're going to go ahead. I was already planning on replacing the hardened seats, but I am 100% going to be replacing with hardened seats now. And I'm not married to the idea yet, but I am thinking I'm going to use the next size up, like, oversized valves. I'm thinking I'm about to use oversized valves in this thing. I think it's going to make it breathe a little bit extra, and I think it'll be perfect. So, the other big thing is the coolant system inside here is right clogged up. As you can see over here, this one right here, I was just trying to clean it out, and it's just, oh my God. I have never seen anything this bad in my life. Real bad. So we will have a lot of work. I'll probably be able to just fit my Dremel tool in there. We'll clean out the inside of the coolant system in here. Fortunately, if you flip this over, there's two little plugs, or two large plugs. That will give us a better access to the internal parts of the actual head. So hopefully they come apart. I've been trying to get at them. I've been using some penetrant oil to break it free, but no luck so far. The top side of the heads came out really well, and I gotta say, I'm actually pretty confident that these heads are going to be just perfectly fine for our application. We're not trying to make 1,000 horsepower with this one. I'll be honest with you, I'm aiming about 500, 800, somewhere in between there. I'll be as happy as, I don't know, whatever can be happy as, oh heck, I don't know. Anyways, so a few other cool things that we've done with the actual block itself. The crank is all set and ready to go. 10 over on that, or 10 under on that. We'll have to get the bearings ordered, so the rods and the mains 10. The block itself was bored 60 over, and I have a quick video right here for you. Not much to it. I gotta say, we're chiseling away at this big beast of an engine a little bit at a time. So next thing, we got to get the internal part of this block cleaned up. Once that's cleaned up, we'll get it to the machine shop. They'll do a proper clean on it. They'll actually take the rest of the varnish off of these things. And I don't think we're going to need much in the way of anything else. I think these things are in pretty great shape. So the block passed the Magnaflux. We have the pistons ordered. 60 over on the actual cylinders, and we'll be able to make a little bit of boost. Some power, baby. More power, baby. Oh yeah. And tomorrow we are going to be going to Wheelwright, Massachusetts, to Wheelwright Reproductions and Wheelwright Restorations. And we're going to see panels being made for the 46 pickup truck in front of us. It's going to be freaking awesome. We'll be able to see it in person. And then we can get them home. Hopefully next week, weld them on. And it'll be one step closer to have that cab in much better shape. Much better. We also have to get rocker panels, a lot of other things. But yeah, I'm still just blown away with how cool these things are just designed and how well it survived all of that just nasty, nasty rust. Oh, yes. And we're going to go meet the people over at the awesome place called HEMI's. Unfortunately, they weren't able to get the museum open quite yet. So instead of that, we are going to actually do a cruise together. I have a cool pickup truck we're going to be using. My buddy might be coming with his old vet. We'll see a 67 Camaro, 71 Roadrunner, and a 1970 Chevelle. I don't know why my plan was originally bring the Cadillac, but radiator broke. Long story short, radiator broke. So hopefully we'll be able to get that sorted out, but that's now behind this project right here. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm really impressed with these heads, guys. They are super cool. And those valves are just no joke huge. All right. I can go on forever. So you have yourselves a wonderful night. Until next time, remember, keep your shiny side up.